Hi, this is Harry Feiner with William Raveis Real Estate, the fighter team in real estate. I'm here today with Paul Addamo from William Raveis Mortgage. And Paul, how are you doing today?
Great, Harry. Thanks for having me.
Well, Paul, a lot of new things have been coming out. One is that yesterday we had a nice office meeting. We had the people from CHFA in.
Yes.
And could you tell us a little bit about some of the new things we heard?
Yes, CHFA is the first-time home buyer program. A lot of people get confused. The first-time home buyer is anybody who has not owned a home for the past 3 years. So it could be your second home as long as you haven't owned one before. You have a new conventional loan product. It's not exactly new, but about maybe a year and a half old that follows conventional guidelines. CHFA also has their FHA mortgage that follows the FHA mortgage guidelines. But what's nice about the CHFA is 100 to 105% financing.
105% financing?
Yes.
Wow. What I've shared with a lot of people today is if you're looking for your first place and you're renting today, you're probably paying as much for your rent as you would if you owned a property using the 105% CHFA.
Yes, with today's rents, you could a lot of times find a home with the 100% financing and be paying less in your principal and interest, your taxes, your homeowner's insurance than you are paying rent. So it's definitely an advantage to look into versus renting.
Now, there was some guidelines that are price points by the number of people that are going to be living in the house or on the mortgage that we heard about?
Yes. So what CHFA also does, it used to be household income. Now it's only the person that's on the mortgage's income, because CHFA does have an income limit and they do have a sales price limit. And that goes pretty much from county to county.
About how long does it take to get a CHFA commitment?
We like to do, say, commitment within 4 weeks and close within 6 weeks.
That's pretty quick.
Of course, with the buyer's cooperation of getting us documentation.
Yep. Yeah, and that's pretty quick. It used to be a little bit longer, if I remember right.
The CHFA has really streamlined the process. They're making it a little bit easier. Of course, you want to make sure the person buying the home can afford the home, so they're going to do all the underwriting, but a great product for the first-time buyer.
Paul, thank you for that update. So that's an update on the CHFA, but I have another question for you, and that what is the current rates today for a 30-year fixed conventional?
Okay, so conventional rates right now are still hovering around 4% for a 30-year loan and about 3.25% for a 15-year loan.
Oh, those are still fantastic rates.
Great rates. Of course, the rates will change a little bit depending on a buyer's credit score, down payment, type of property, but that's the average going rate.
Thanks, Paul.
Thank you.
So if you're buying a new home and you're looking for a mortgage, call Paul Addamo at
860-990-2486.
I can tell you personally, he's done very well by all of the clients I've introduced him to. Thanks for joining us today on the Finer Video.